In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your hosting or website effectively and efficiently. A backup is essential for the safety and security of your data, providing peace of mind in case anything goes wrong. So let's jump right in and guide you through the steps for creating and downloading a backup on Hostinger. First, you'll want to log into Hostinger's H-Panel. This is where you can manage all the aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Websites section. You'll see a list of websites associated with your account. Find the one you want to back up and click on Manage. From there, head over to the Files section. This is where all your website files are stored and where you'll be able to initiate a backup. Click on Backups within this section to access the tools you need. If you're looking to generate a fresh backup, you'll find the option there. Remember, you can only create a new backup once every 24 hours, so plan accordingly. It's a simple click to generate a new backup, and it's a good idea if you've recently made significant changes to your site. Once your backup is generated, you're ready to download it. To download your website files, go back to the Files Backups section. Here, you'll choose the date of the backup you wish to download. After selecting the date, move forward by clicking Next. Finally, select Download All Files, which will be in a .tar.gz format. This format conveniently compresses your files, making them easier and quicker to download. In addition to files, you will also want to download your database backup, particularly if your website uses a content management system like WordPress. Again, within the Backups section, switch to the Database Backups tab. After selecting the particular date of the database backup you require, you can proceed to download it. Simply click Download Database, and it will download as a .sql.gz file. Just like the file backup, the database will be compressed, ensuring a quicker download. Backing up both your files and your database regularly is a good habit to adopt. It ensures that you have a complete recovery option if anything should happen to your site. This process is particularly crucial if you're frequently making updates or changes to your website. That's it. You've successfully backed up your hosting or website. Now, you have both a local copy of your website files and your database. Should the need arise, you can restore them to get your website up and running again swiftly. Thanks for following along, and make sure to check back for more tips on managing your website effectively.